Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Bolt. Hope you all are doing great. So finally I'm here to tell about the amazing project, but before starting the video I would like to ask you that if you are new in my channel, so kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the further notifications. So let's start the review. Before starting the video, I would like to ask you that I'm not the financial advisor, I'm just telling about the amazing project. So FollowSwap is a blockchain project that incorporates P2P exchange and wallet platform and token for meme community and social responsibilities. FollowSwap team aims to ride through the wave of a strong meme community with its token that will power a portfolio of blockchain project. FollowCoin will achieve great heights while doing things other token couldn't do. FollowCoin token is a FollowSwap project designed and created to empower communities through its community growth program, social welfare, game competition, and blockchain startup funding. The token will ride on the FollowSwap P2P wallet system. Here you can see their FollowCoin calculator. Here you can see their limit conversion rate FollowCoin token. Like this, you can see their pre-sale. Grab your token before prices grows up. Their pre-sale end in 88 days, 8 hours, 2 minutes, and some seconds. You can also see their current price. Now I'm telling you that how you can buy these tokens. First you have to register your account here, write your username, write your email, write your password, again write your password for confirmation, and then click on I agree with private policy and then click on register. I have already logged in my account, I'm just telling you about the method. First you have to click on buy token now, then go to dashboard. Here you can see stage pre-sale, buy token, click on buy token. Here you can see the method. Enter your quantity to purchase. Here you can see their phase, pre-sale stage, price. 1 FLCT token is equals to 0.0008 USD. Available quantity, here you can see their quantity. First you have to write your Solana wallet address here and then write your FLCT token which you want. Like I want 10,000 FLCT tokens, so my total price is 8 USDT. Then click on buy now. Then click on yes for confirmation. Here you can see their deposit method, deposit coin to purchase FLCT token. First you have to select the gateways which you want to select. I'm selecting Solana. Then enter your USDT amount. Here you can see limit, charge, payable, conversion rate, Solana, and further details. After confirmation, you can click on submit. Here you can see their payment confirmation, so you can scan the QR code and send directly by copy their wallet address and deposit on this address. To obtain an airdrop, participate in the activities. Here you can see their airdrop. ICO airdrop. Their airdrop is coming soon. Complete task. Follow an official account on X. Share the specific post on X. Join our group on Telegram. Sign up on our system and provide your sign up email. Verify task. Share your X handle in the Telegram group. Provide your ICO username. Connect wallet. You can provide your wallet address. Claim token. Receive your free tokens directly in your provided address. So finally you can see the method that how you can buy these tokens. Next we have the ICO selling phase. Welcome to the initial coin offering ICO to FollowCoin. This is your opportunity to invest in our innovative token and be part of the promising venture. Below are the details of the offering. Here you can see their details. What is FollowSwap? FollowSwap is a blockchain project that incorporates P2P exchange and wallet platform and token FollowCoin for meme community and social responsibility. FollowSwap team aims to ride through the wave of a strong meme community with its token that will empower a portfolio of blockchain project. FollowCoin will achieve great heights while doing things other token couldn't do. As I already told you, FollowCoin ICO roadmap. We plan and execute the future while fortune tellers guess the project of a lifetime. Here are our upcoming activities. Phase 1, pre-sale launch of FollowCoin, release airdrop, integrate FollowCoin into FollowSwap system. Phase 2, community development program, develop community game competition, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko listing. Phase 3, token listing on exchange, community growth program, social welfare support. Phase 4, private funding, release of new phase of competition game, more token listing on exchange. Next we have some information about their vision. For FollowCoin, FollowSwap plans to use funds from the project to support tech startup companies domiciled in developing countries of Africa and Asia. Seeing many promising projects in developing countries die from lack of funds is sad. We believe that community crypto project should fund tech startup working towards making developing communities better. We will be the first project that will fund community-focused startup massively. We are more than a blockchain project and meme coin. Therefore, a percentage of fund from the coin will be channeled toward social welfare support. Here you can see their more information from here. Next we have the airdrop. I have already told you about this. Here you can see their social platform like their Telegram community and their Twitter account, and furthermore you must join their Telegram community for latest update, and you can also follow them on Twitter. Here you can see their post like be part of the first lucky holder of the token through airdrop and purchase at the pre-sale stage. Like this you can read, you can see further more posts from here. This is an outstanding project. Now I'm showing you their official website. Total follow coin token to earn per participant is 30. Get 20 FLC token by completing the task. Get 2 token per referred. Get your free follow coin token by participating in their Telegram activities. Be part of the first lucky holder of the token and purchase during the pre-sale stage starting on 20 August 2024. Are you in need of a P2P exchange of a crypto wallet where you can find almost every coin, trade them and save them? FollowSwap Crypto P2P wallet is here. I can attach it on my description. Make use of this hashtag to post and retweet like hashtag FLCT, hashtag FollowCoin, hashtag FollowSwap, hashtag airdrop, hashtag ICO. Exchange your cryptocurrency. Trade smarter together. The P2P trading revolution begins. Here you can see their buy and sell method. Explore fast crypto solution for easy market entry. Register. To create an account, click on the sign up button and fill in the required information such as email and password. Verify your identity. Verify your account through the link sent to your email. Bind your card. We support various payment methods including credit and debit cards, bank transfer and digital wallets. Empower direct P2P trading. Unleash cutting-edge feature. Flexible payment methods. Send money to the seller via the suggested payment methods. Complete the fiat transaction and click transfer. Notify seller on FollowSwap P2P. 24/7 customer service. They provide 24/7 online service for tens of millions of users in over 170 countries. You will always have their support when encountering any problem on the platform. Highest priority to transaction safety. The platform will automatically scan every transaction and detect suspicious transaction. In addition, certified advertiser verification and facial recognition are implemented to make your transaction more secure. Here you can see frequently asked questions. They answer some of your frequently asked questions regarding our platform. If you have a query that is not answered here, please contact them via email. Here you can see their frequently asked question like how are user rating and feedback calculated. User ratings and feedback are calculated based on the reviews and rating provided by other users after each completed trade. The system aggregates these scores to reflect the overall reliability and trustworthiness of a user. Like this, you can read their furthermore frequently asked question and still have a question. Reach out of their support team now. You can also read their terms and services and their privacy policy from here. Join their newsletter to stay up to date on feature and release. And you can also see their buy assets and sell assets from here. And you can also see their communities, social platforms. As I already told you about this is an outstanding project. I hope you like the video. We will meet in the next video. Bye.